What is up, my fellow dragons? It is Brave Dragon here, and today I'm here with
Beavis. I want to sake bangal.
and Gonzo, mostly because of his purple hair. And today we are finally doing it. We are eating the Carolina Reaper. Yay! All right. So, does anybody have anything to say before we eat these?
Yum. Ow.
All right, we ready to start this? Okay. I think you should just take a small bite of this. Okay. Are we ready? Remember, we do this on 3, guys. 1, 2, 3. I just swallowed. Fuck, it's already kicking in. Crap, did not mean to say that. Whew. Oh. Oh my God, they were right. It's building up. I need to open this. Go. I can't open this.
Give me milk.
Me first. Me first!
I gotta make this official. Alright. Okay, open. I want to sake bangal.
Oh my God. Oh God!
Well, Trevor.
What?
Well, Trevor.
Ah!
Ah.
Ah! Ah! Oh, this was a mistake.
Exhaling makes it worse.
I can't do it. Every breath out is like time travel into a stupid place.
Bro, water fired, bro. It is still nice. I'm feeling somewhat better already. Bro, give me milk.
I'm so stupid.
I'm so beautiful. I don't think this is gonna ever
Not
end.
again.
Oh, fuck.
This is what happened to me last time when we ate the ghost pepper, but I ended it on my video.
Oh, fuck.
Keep the video rolling, please. Okay. Just so you know, the line that I said about a stupid place, the reason why I started this whole challenge was because I was watching Rhett and Link, who would do Good Mythical Morning. I'm not trying to like do anything. I just want to say it's because of them that I did this. No, I'm not meaning that in a bad way. Oh, wow. whenever
Bro, milk eases the pain.
whenever I saw Ren Link do this, Link tried it to do what I just did, but he was like, nothing came up. I wish someone would have, and I just lost that whenever I saw him do that. Whew. Oh man. Okay, the heat's starting to
I like turtles.
Okay. He's starting to go down now. He's really starting to go down.
Not for me.
Oh man.
Oh, my bad. I got you. Hold on.
This really does suck.
Shouldn't have ate before this.
Yeah.
The only thing you threw up was milk, though.
Bits of the pepper too, and what we had for dinner.